keeps moving though. Pussies. And there's two right above me. God, they're everywhere. And then over here's Mohican. Look at him. He's just chilling. He don't go invisible, man. Because he's not scared. Look at the government's over here, too. They're all over the place. God, how's he move out of my screen? See him? See him blinking? Look at Mohican. He only goes invisible because he sees the government over there. Look at that shit. Only because the government's just right over there to his right. Not because of me. He's not scared of me. That's funny. You guys saw it yourselves. See, look, government's right there. Where are they? Somewhere over there. Fucking. And then he's doing his invisible act because of that guy. Not because of me. See how they can do that? That's invisible, but I'm just zoomed in and he's like really close, so I can. Invisible doesn't work so good. But see, that's what this guy was doing when I started walking towards him and he disappeared. And see, these guys aren't disappearing. They're kind of far away. But there's... I'll show you right now. 1. Fucking 2. Fucking 3. There's 2 right here. But these... 4 and 5. And then 6 right over my head. Junior. Let's see if Mohican's still invisible. I'm standing on a rock, sorry. Nope. You know why? Because the government fucking moved away. He's such a nice guy. I love Mohican. He's my favorite. Sorry, old faithful. But, Mohican took your place in my heart. Okay, that's enough for the day. This is August 29th. It's 5 in the morning. Mohican and Vasilious over and out.